Hey bunnies, welcome to another Naked Sunday video. Before we begin, go ahead and grab yourself a drink. What I'm going to be drinking is rum runner, duh. I'll leave the flavor down below because I completely forgot what this was. I know I'm horrible, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is do shots of this because I want to. So whatever flavor this is, whether I like it or not, it's gonna be shots. Now what I recommend is if you are gonna do shots of these is to put it in your freezer so it gets nice and chill. Pop. I think this is the Goombay, I think it's called Goombay Smash or something. That's what this is. But yeah, all right, let's go. Can you ask me to pour? All right. Video, we're going to be talking about birth control pretty much, I guess, for, yeah. So on my Instagram, remember a couple months ago, maybe last year, I said I did these poll questions where I ask questions and you guys answer. Oh, that just warmed my whole body up just now. So yeah, I posted a poll this morning based on a video that I saw that Lala Milan, I really hope I didn't say her name wrong. She did a video with a skit about Plan B. She asked a question, who should buy the Plan B, the guy or the girl? And she said what she said, and I'm gonna say what I want to say. All right. If you want to know what she said, go to her page, her Instagram, and watch that video. It's super funny. Well, I posted the same question to my Instagram. If the condom breaks or he doesn't pull out quick enough, who buys the Plan B? Him or her? The majority of the people who have been responding to the poll, because the poll is still going, so if you got by the time you see this video, the poll will be done. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll screenshot the results and show you, but the majority right now are saying guys, the guy should buy the Plan B. He's the one who's at fault, whatever. Now for my 2 cents, I'm gonna do another shot though. My 2 cents on this topic is this: if both of you don't want to have a child, then both of you should go half and half and buy the freaking Plan B. Plan Bs, if I'm not mistaken, are in the range of like $50 and $60, somewhere around there. And then another thing I found out, there are different Plan Bs. Like Plan B is the name of the brand, right? The pill itself is like an L word. I'll put it somewhere so you can see it. And there's at least 2 or 3 other companies that make this that are cheaper than the Plan B brand, right? And I'll leave all that information in the description bar for you guys, all right? Now, as I was saying, it's whoever, and this is the same thing Lala said, it's whoever doesn't want to get pregnant, okay? Now, if both of you are, regularly having intercourse and it's something that regularly happens or you need to have a Plan B, then you know what? If you buy it this time, then I'll buy it the next time. If I buy it this time, then you have to buy it the next time. I think that is the fairest way to go about, figuring out whatever. Because if you don't want to have a child and he's not ready for a child, then why leave it up to chance? Why leave it up to science to figure out whether or not you are going to have a baby that month? As far as everyone saying that he should buy it, I feel like with that poll, only one person DM'd me so far and said whoever had $49.95 at the moment should get it. And like I said, I agree, to some point it should still be 50-50 unless the other person does want to get you pregnant, and then that's like a whole nother conversation that needs to be had, because if you're not ready for kids and they're ready for kids, then you shouldn't be sleeping with this person. Like, let them go and sow their royal oats somewhere else and you continue to live your life. That's what I'll say about that. Now, where was I going? Now, as far as the poll itself goes, where I just put him or her, it kind of brings you to a who really should get it. If it comes down to just those 2 options, A or B, I'm going to say the same thing. Whoever does not want to be pregnant. Because, okay, in the sense that, all right, neither one of you wants to get pregnant, sure, if he's the one who didn't pull out fast enough, can you blame him though if your pum pum just that sweet? Like, I don't because you do want to be like, yes, he should pay, he should buy it, he should get it, he's the one who da 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 da, you know. But if we're in an era now where we're fighting for equality and we're fighting for women to have the same rights as men and all that stuff, I honestly don't think, and I can't bring myself to being like, all right, you're the guy, so do this right now. If he so chooses to do it, awesome. But it's no big deal if I get it. I feel like I said, it should be split down the middle. If neither one of us wants to have kids, and if I get it this time, you have to get it next time. Simple as that. If I got it the last 2 times, you have to get it the next 2 times. The last 3 times, next 3 times. It's just simple math. It's simple 50-50 equal rights for all. All right? That's how I feel about that. If the condom breaks, or if he didn't pull out in time, who should get the plan B? Whoever can get it at the moment. And if you're the one who can get it, then you get it. If he's the one who can get it, then he gets it. Simple. And then there's this app where you can send people to buy it for you. There's a shopping app. I wish I remember the name. I think I have it on my phone. But if you go on it, you can, you know how you can do your grocery. It's a grocery app. So you can shop from Publix, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, all that stuff. And if you go on it, I'm pretty sure, because CVS does have online shopping, you can go type it in, tell them what you want, put your little credit card info, and get your plan Bs delivered to your door without you having to go in and be like, oh my gosh, where's all the plan Bs? And then I don't even feel like it's that deep. I've bought condoms before. It's not the scariest experience in the world. Matter of fact, I have bought a plan B before. Like back in the day. Yeah. This was when it was like, did I have to get a prescription? No, this was right after they stopped requiring prescription or something like that. When I got mine, I walked into the pharmacy, not CVS or Walgreens, none of them big name brands. It was my local pharmacy with my local pharmacist, which is now shut down. And I believe I had to ask for it behind the counter. Like they had it hidden away, like it was, or did I pick it up off the shelf? I don't remember how it went, but it was, I do know that I had to go to the pharmacy and get it. I do know that. And I think I took it on like the second day, not the first day, I think the second day after we had unprotected sex. And I didn't get pregnant. So, moral of the story is, Plan B works. But yeah, that's my 2 cents on it. If you feel otherwise, if you feel the same, if you feel indifferent, if you feel whatever, comment down below, sound off, let us have a discussion about it. I say this every single week and hardly anybody comments. I want your comments. I know y'all watching the video, okay? And I know only a certain percentage of y'all are subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. I'm gonna do one more shot. And then hopefully this is gonna be my thumbnail. So I gotta make sure that I'm cute. Focus. There we go. All right, and pour. Shit. Let's make it cute. Get drunk, but make it fashion. And that was shot number 3. I think I should stop doing shots now. Yeah, this is about 1 cup. Maybe 1 more shot and I'll have like a full cup. But that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.